Now the final step is we're going to add the ConvertKit step where we're going to add a subscriber. So we'll click Add New Action here, find ConvertKit, add subscriber to form, because we're going to want to add a new subscriber to that Podio new lead form that we created all the way back in step 1. So we'll say save. And now, like the Podio, we're going to have to connect our account. And we're going to need the ConvertKit API secret that you have from your account. So if we click on plus, get in the tab, we'll go to ConvertKit, log in, go to our account settings, and then your secret will be down here. It's hidden, so we have to click the show icon, the show link, and we can highlight this, copy it, come back over here, paste that in, and yes, continue. And then we can close this because we won't need it anymore. And now we're set up. We're going to rename this ConvertKit tutorial test. Good. Now we'll continue. So now we have to pick the form we're adding this to. So if you remember, we created a new Podio new lead form. And now we have to fill in the fields. So email, address required. So the best way to do this is just type in email into the search here. Then we can see field email value. With that, first name. Type in first in the search. First name value. And now opt in to sequence. This will be defaulted to yes. We'll keep that there. Now the address field that we want. Type in address in the search. And now we'll find the full address. So we want the field's address formatted right here. That just so happens in my ConvertKit, I have these other fields, if you remember, set up already. And you won't have these. You'll have the address and the item ID. I have all these others because I use those. So we come down to the item ID, click this, and we're going to want the new actions, which is the data from Podio, see by this symbol. We're going to want the item ID that comes with the item that triggered it. So if we click on that and we scroll down, we'll come up to an item ID. It's just like 10-digit number. And those are the fields that we need to populate for the ConvertKit record. So we should be good here. We continue. And now it'll populate with the test data. And now we can just say send to ConvertKit. And if we look at ConvertKit, sorry I closed out of this before. If you did too, I apologize. click over to all subscribers, see that this new item, this new subscriber got added. Click on it to go into it, and you'll see test tutorial, test, and then here's the address, and here's the Podio item ID.